What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today, and today I'm gonna make one of your favorite recipe. I'm gonna make your honey butter lemon wings. All right? I'm gonna show you how to clean up your wings and get them ready to cook. All right? So stay tuned.
Hey, don't do it.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I dissect my wings and clean them up nicely. Right? Normally like go through and any extra feather, we clean them off. And we're basically gonna cut it right here in the middle. Right in the joint, as you can see. Right in the joint, exactly in the joint. Alright, and we're also gonna cut off the tip of it. So you can use the tip of it when you're doing like your chicken stock. Alright, so these are the two parts of the wing that we're going to use. Alright, so we're going to go through the process, go through, clean up our wings, cut them up nicely, and then we're going to wash them. Alright, wash them in some nice vinegar. Alright, so now we're going to go in and wash our wings. As you can see, we're using the white vinegar. We're going to pour about 2 tablespoons on it. Nice. Right, gonna rub it up nicely. Then we're gonna turn on the pipe and wash our wings properly. Yeah, this is how you wash your wings properly. Gonna drain the excess water and look at your wings now, clean, nice, and ready to season. All right, give it another nice rinse off. And that's it. Ready to season. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and season up our chicken wings now. So here we have some ginger powder. We're gonna use half teaspoon. Season up our thing nicely, you know, because you know you want it to taste good. Alright, we're going with our onion powder, half teaspoon too. Alright, we're going with some black pepper for taste. Alright, half teaspoon. We're going with some chicken seasoning. Remember, we're not using any salt on this chicken wing because most of the seasoning that I'm using gonna have in salt. Alright, the chicken seasoning have in salt. I'm going with a tablespoon of soy sauce. Alright, the soy sauce have its own content of salt. Alright, let's break an egg. We're gonna mix it up from here earlier. Let's put in an egg nicely. Alright. Alright, so after egg, we're gonna go in with about 2 tablespoons of milk. Good. Alright, so we're gonna go in my hand and give this a nice mix up. Alright. Cover this and leave this to marinate for about half an hour, and then I'm going to go ahead and prepare the sauce now. Alright, so now we're going to start prepare our sauce. Here we have about 2 ounces of butter for melting. So the reason why we prepare our sauce before we do our chicken, or fry our chicken, is that we don't want to have our chicken fry and put down and get soft and soggy, yeah? So we're going with making our sauce before we fry our chicken, alright? So we're trying to melt this butter, 2 ounces. Nice butter, yeah? Alright? So we're gonna go in with 2 big teaspoons of ketchup. 1, 2 big spoons of ketchup. Alright? Go in and mix it around nicely. You know the ketchup gives that nice acidic taste that you're looking for. Alright, remember we're making that honey butter lemon sauce. So we want our thing to taste nice. Alright? Now we're gonna go in with teaspoon of honey. 1, 2. Alright. And then I mix it around nicely because sauce of it tastes good. Alright. We have half of a lemon here. We're going to squeeze it nicely. Don't ensure that you don't have the seed going here. So you squeeze it like on the top of a spoon or something that will catch a seed. Alright? Half of a lemon we're using. Yeah man, you can smell the nice fragrance coming up. Nice fragrance coming up, man. Alright, so just take the time and remove those seeds. Alright, then we're going in and we start. Alright. Get the sauce ready. I have some fresh chopped basil that I'm gonna add to it too. Yeah, nice fresh chopped basil. Give that sauce a kick. Alright. I have about quarter cup of water. I'm gonna add it to it. Just have it to get a nice little boil down. And about that to it. And allow it to boil down for about 5 minutes. Get that smell of fragrance, boys. Smell good. Alright. Alright, as you can see, our chicken was marinated for the last half an hour. We have some all-purpose flour here. We're gonna kind of season it. Alright, so we're gonna add probably about half teaspoon of cornstarch. Yeah. Then we're gonna add some chicken seasoning. Just follow the flavor. About half teaspoon. Yeah. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Alright. About a pinch. So I'm gonna mix around this nicely. As you can see. Alright. So now we're gonna move over our chicken into our flour. Alright. And we're gonna coat our chicken wings nice with the flour. Right, the reason why I put the cornstarch in there, the cornstarch is gonna give it that firm texture, and then when you go into the sauce, it just basically nice and tasty. Alright, as you can see, our chicken is nicely coated. Chicken wings. So we're gonna basically shake off the excess flour. Put it on a dry plate there, and then we're gonna go ahead and start fry up our chicken wings. Right. Alright, so over here you can see our chicken wings nicely coated. Alright, so right here we have about a cup and a half of cooking oil. It's corn oil we're using. Basically gonna deep fry our wings. Alright, wings normally take about 5 to 7 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and put in our wings now. I'm gonna be deep frying them. Alright, try not to overcrowd the pot because you want to ensure that your wings fry properly. Alright, so we're going to go in with the first set and then we're going with the second set. Alright, so after 4 minutes you can see, I just go ahead and give my chicken wings a slight little turn. Look at how beautiful they're coming. Yeah? Yeah man, so we're going to leave that for another 2 to 3 minutes and then remove them. So we're going to go ahead and remove the first set, as you can see. Look at how beautiful them is, yeah? Remove them. Now you can put on a grill, or you can put on a piece of napkin just to drain the excess oil. Right. Look how beautiful them is. Look at them. Yeah, man. Ready to go inside the sauce. Nice. Alright. Alright, as you can see, we prepare our sauce early on. Alright, look at how beautiful it is. All of our wings are fried and ready to place in the sauce. So we're going to go ahead and put all of the wings inside of this. Good. And then we're gonna go ahead and stir it around, yeah? Mix it up nicely. Alright, ensure that all of that sauce all over the wings, yeah? So they're beautiful in this. And mix up the wings nicely, man. Nicely. Alright, so as you can see, our wings are nicely coated. We're gonna place it on a knife. Alright guys, and there you have it. Our beautiful honey lemon chicken. Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah? My word, look at that. Look at those wings. I feel like fly. I hope you guys enjoy my cooking show. Hope you continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy Needham on YouTube. Also on Instagram, Fitzroy Needham. Also on Facebook, Fitzroy Needham. Yeah man, chicken wings. Give me wings. Feel like fly. I'm out. Wait, let's do a nice little taste. You don't know, I have to taste it before I come off the camera. Wow. Guys, somebody need to join me. I have the answer. I found it. Yeah man, so nice. Love you now. I'm out.
Hey, don't do it.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your